Hey guys, if you do any repairs or you do any service calls, you probably own a tool bag. So today I'm gonna be reviewing the Mastercraft bag from Canadian Tire. Mastercraft household tool set for $40 Canadian or $31 USA. This set includes 209 pieces for your home repair, garage, or workplace. It comes in a durable canvas roll bag. It includes a long nose pliers 6 inches long, a split joint pliers 6 inches long, an adjustable wrench 6 inches long, a level that is 9 inches long, a 12-piece CRV nut driver set that goes from 5 millimeters to 10 millimeters, and it also has inches that starts from 732 to 716, a magnetic L wrench, driver beats. You have 40 pieces of driver beats. Each set comes with a 10. You have a 16-ounce fiberglass hammer. You have a utility knife that comes with a blade, a picture hanging kit, and a wall anchor kit. So again guys, this is only $40 Canadian or $31 USA. And just to compare, I have bought also a roll-up canvas bag from Amazon, and it cost me $20. And I have another one that costed me $25 Canadian. So just to compare the prices, you see how many tools do you get with this bag that costs only $40 Canadian, and a bag that has no tools for $25. So I'm really a big fan of this tool bag. And with that, that's all my friends. I'll see you guys next video.